Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HonorPad 8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to clear the browser based on this tutorial presented on the Chrome. So here all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and we can either tap on Clear Browsing Data and we will quickly remove some basic options like browsing history, cookies associated data and cached images and files just by tapping on Clear Data here. We can also enter a proper section and do it kind of manually. Just tap on the three dots icon again and tap on the history. As you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button next to it, or tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got basic options which we can remove in the previous way, or advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So let's mark the options to remove them. You can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So just tap on it and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.